Oh, fancy.
Yeah, a toast to the future Mrs. Allen.
West Allen.
West Allen. Although your life with Barry may be fast-paced, I hope you guys take the time to enjoy the special moments.
Oh, thank you guys for coming. It really means a lot.
Cheers. Yeah. Well, all right. Who wants my champagne? Craziest thing I get to do tonight is order 2 desserts.
I'll take it. That's right. Iris told me you were pregnant. How's that going?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I mean, it wasn't exactly part of my plan, but I just could not be happier.
I know exactly what you mean.
Oh, yeah. How is everything with Oliver and William?
It's an adjustment, but it's kid.
Do I hear wedding bells ringing in your future?
Oh, no. The last time we did anything that resembled a wedding, Oliver got shot with an arrow, so.
Oh. Did you girls order a stripper?
Why didn't you tell me you would have brought all my singles?
No,
Girl, you into some freaky stuff.
Amunet wants you.
Caitlin, do you know him?
You need to come with me.
I'm not going anywhere with you. Please tell me that this is just part of his act.
If it is, it's taking too long. Take it off. Gross! I meant take off your pants, not your eye. Oh my God! Stand back, baby mama. We got this.
Please don't do this.
It didn't have to be this way. I was hoping to see you again.
Really? So I could give you another scar? Ugh, I hate pink.